fellow travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
We are TurnItUpWorld. Welcome back to
Las Vegas!
So if you hadn't already noticed from the title, we are staying at the Cosmopolitan and we're psyched to bring you into this room tour. We're in one of the higher floors, sort of wraparound terrace suites here with a Bellagio fountain view. How exciting!
Oh, no, it's an amazing room. And then after that, we're going to take you to see the pool here at the Cosmo. They have a great pool. And also get some tasty eats at the Henry, which comes highly recommended from actually many of you.
Yes, and you know what? If it comes highly recommended, it's highly edible. Anyway, I'm so excited to get this party started. You ready to rock this?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! Well, welcome. I'm gonna show you first this little yellowish hue sort of modern hallway here. It's really nice when you walk in. You have like a foyer, super cute. And off to my left, you have like a table and they give you a pack.
Nice.
I think it's gonna be a signature mask, maybe it looks like it, and a pin of some sort. And some gel. We'll open it back a little bit later. But this is really great. The artwork is so phenomenal. Of course, when you walk right in, you got a big old closet.
Nice closet.
Great to put your jackets, your suitcases, and all that great stuff. And I'm gonna let you see this one right here. You know what? So let's continue on back down the hallway here. And I think we're gonna start off with the kitchen. Treats and sweets. I'm sure it comes at a premium price. So we'll be leaving those alone because we'll be heading down to CVS for those snacks. You got your ice buckets here. You got a Get this open.
Nice.
So for all your extra goodies, sweets and treats, you certainly can. And let's not forget, you got a chilling wine cooler as well. There's a bonus. So a lot of little cool little features in here for sure. Serving your friends, your cocktails, and all that great stuff. And man, oh man. Y'all, come on, walk around me. Y'all wanna take a look at that. Another door that leads out to another balcony. This is a wraparound, so you got pretty much a panoramic view of the, which we'll show you in just a second. Come on in. All right, so this is the bedroom. Of course, you got the nice king size bed here, which, as a matter of fact, I think it's about time for the bed test. Comfy. Woo! That bed was comfy. My shoulders. I'm gonna sleep good tonight. I'm gonna sleep great tonight, actually. How are you gonna sleep, Dave?
I'm gonna sleep really nice.
So when you come on in here, big, deep soaker tub, nice dual vanities, which is interesting. They put them on separate sides of the massive, a big shower.
Right? Look at that.
Shower. Nice. It's basically got the tile all the way up on the floor, sort of that mosaic style tile. Really cute shower, almost looks like a rain-ish style shower head. So I'm going to take you to where I think is the best spot. You know what? I'll meet you guys outside. Go on and take a look. I'll meet you outside.
Wait a second. Where's Tanya?
Now, the wraparound suite here at the Cosmopolitan gives you incredible views of the Bellagio fountain, the pools, and the beautiful Las Vegas Strip. Now, during certain times of the year and days, you will get a good amount of sound coming from the day club marquee below. Kind of like this. So a room like this goes for about $300+ per night. Now that's not cheap unless you have a rewards card and you maximize the benefits. Now we would certainly say if you're coming to Vegas to party, the Cosmopolitan has a room waiting for you.
Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little room tour here at the Cosmo, sort of the high floor wraparound terrace suite, y'all, the Bellagio view. But it's about time for us to get this party started, so we gotta move on to the next bit. See y'all!
Welcome to the Henry here at the Cosmopolitan. Now, several of our subscribers suggested this place, so thank y'all. We're looking forward to giving them a shot.
So welcome, we're looking forward to have a nice breakfast here today.
Yeah.
Do you know what you're getting?
I do know. Now, typically, like every place you go into, you're gonna have to zap that QR code here. They give you a little card that says the Henry and it tells you what to do. Pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna have the Southern Shrimp and Grits. What are you getting?
Yeah, I'm gonna get the corned beef hash.
Corned beef hash.
Go for that, should be nice.
Love that. A couple of fresh squeezed orange juices. Let's see what it's like here. All right.
Yes.
I'm so excited. This actually looks really good.
Oh, that looks and smells awesome.
It really does have that rich aroma.
Yes.
I am so stoked to see that it's not as crazy large as I thought it was going to be. Again, we got the Southern sort of shrimp and grits. And you can really smell that like Cajun barbecue spice in there. It's got avocado layer on top of that. It's got that nice corn sort of style grits, not traditional grits, but like a corn paste type grit. And of course they bring you some sauces, which I'm gonna probably have some hot sauce on there. And I am stoked. Ooh, and it's got some beans in there.
Right.
I like it.
Yeah, well I got the corned beef hash. Of course that's sunny side up eggs with some hollandaise sauce. And looks and smells really good too. And plus I had to get some pickled jalapenos.
Of
so
course.
Gotta spice it up a little bit.
Oh my, oh my. That shrimp. That is very, very good. I love the creaminess of the grit. The salsa really blends in. The avocado has that little cold burst. Now the shrimps, I think, could be a little less on the crunchier side. I like it's hard to explain. It's like that right in the middle, perfect shrimp. Right. But it's really, really good and a lot of flavor.
So I put on some pickled jalapenos. So I like that, and then I'm gonna dive right in here and try it out. Kind of cutting through the egg. Here we go. I'll give it a shot. That's really good. I like it. I definitely, the egg is really nice, perfectly done. The yolk just gets nice and creamy, very kind of buttery yolk, blends right in here into the hash. The hash tastes really good too. Not, it's salty, but not too salty, just a really nice flavor. And of course those pickled jalapenos add that spicy kind of kick to it. So it's really, really a nice dish.
Try and get here on the earlier side, because as we look, and you probably see maybe even behind us, right now, currently, there's about a 45-minute wait.
Wow.
So, they're still running about half capacity about these places, so things can go quickly. So get here to enjoy your breakfast.
Now the Henry is not a cheap place, but it is still a decent value here at the Cosmo. These dishes were $18 each. And the portions aren't huge, but they're really a good, healthy size.
We just have to kind of wrap this up, finish our coffee and our OJ, and head on over to the pool, y'all.
Look cool.
Just gotta get at it.
Yeah. There you go, don't hold it.
Dive right in and sit in. Just gonna. All right, welcome to the Cosmo pool, everybody. So this is actually
right.
Which pool is this called?
Yeah,
this is the Boulevard pool.
The Boulevard pool, right?
The Boulevard pool. So it's not a whole lot of swimming area, but it's definitely designed for a partay.
Exactly. Well, it has kind of that kind of zero walk-in entrance, or like a slow walk-in.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And it's exciting. The water's a little bit on the cooler side.
It is a little cool.
But you know what?
Yeah.
It's Vegas, so I'm sure this will probably feel super, super amazing during those summer time months.
And the views, exactly. And the views, well, they're amazing.
That about does it for us. We are so excited. Thank you guys so much for joining us. We had a wonderful time here at the Cosmopolitan. Definitely a party scene. If you want a good, fun, party style pool, Cosmopolitan is your girl, right?
Absolutely.
If you made it this far, thank you so much. Don't forget, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get a every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, world travelers, and we look forward to seeing y'all
in Las Vegas.